Hello and welcome to the ADJ booth here at InfoComm 2023. My name is Edgar Burnell and I'm excited to tell you about a new product that we're showing here. This is a great new addition to our Focus series of our beam wash fixtures. This is our Focus Flex L19. And with the L19, as you can see, it's got 19 cells that are producing 40 watts of power. And what we did is traditionally you'll see RGBW with these fixtures, but we actually were able to achieve red, green, blue, and lime. And so what that means, all of your warm whites and all of your cool white color temperatures will be easily achieved with the Focus Flex L19. On top of that, as you see it here, it does have a 5 to 50 degree zoom range. So any type of size you're looking for out of this wash fixture you can get, and including that 5-degree beam, you can get a very nice sharp beam. Also with the Focus Flex L19, as you see here, these are just some of the built-in programs that you could do, but in full extended channel mode, you do have the ability to control each one of these pixels independently with any color. So for eye candy, you can definitely achieve anything like that with the Focus Flex L19. It does have a Cat6 input on the back too for ArtNet. It's got 5-pin DMX in and out. Power linking is also available on this unit, but as you can see with this nice size, still coming in at about 30 pounds, so it's not terribly heavy. But that's the brand new Focus Flex L19 from ADJ, and of course for more information you could always go to adj.com. Thanks.